This is the new 9 Pro Plus camera system. Powered by our own ProLight imaging technology, we can now get incredible camera performance even in the most challenging lighting conditions. We have packed 9 Pro Plus with class-leading 5G processor, supercharged with vapor chamber cooling system and dynamic RAM expansion for fluid experience. That's the all-new Realme 9 Pro Plus. There are also a lot of new additions to this generation. So much we could hardly fit it all on this one screen. So this is the Realme 9 Pro. It has everything you expect from the Realme number series and more. The Realme 9 Pro is loaded with the latest Snapdragon 695 5G processor, an innovative light shift design, and a 120Hz ultra-smooth display with adaptive refresh rate.
Here's the part you have been waiting for, the big price reveal of the 9 Pro Plus and 9 Pro. Capture the light with the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G, which features the powerful Dimensity 920 5G processor, 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 OIS camera, massifying OIS technology, 60-watt super dart charge and 90Hz Super AMOLED display with vapor chamber cooling system and light shift designs. Again, the feature which is the first time from the house of Realme. The Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G comes in the three stunning colors: Sunrise Blue, Aurora Green and Midnight Black. It's available in three variants with 6GB, 128GB, 8GB, 128GB and 8GB, 256GB. 6GB 128GB would be priced at Rs 24,999, wherein 8GB 128GB would be priced at Rs 26,999. 8GB 256GB would be priced at Rs 28,999. First sale will begin on 21st of February 12 noon onwards across realme.com, flipkart.com and the stores nearby you. With the Flipkart Smart Upgrade program, buyers will have to pay just 70% of the total cost and avail bank offers on the balance amount, making it further more affordable. With the Flipkart Smart Upgrade program, the 6GB 128GB variant will be priced at Rs 17,499 only. 8GB 128GB would be priced at Rs 18,899 only. And 8GB 256GB would be priced at Rs 20,299 only. Now let's take a look at the Realme 9 Pro 5G, which sets a new yardstick with the Snapdragon 695 5G processor, 120Hz ultra smooth display, 64 megapixel Nightscape camera and a 5000 mAh massive battery with light shift design and the Realme UI 3.0 based on Android 12. Realme 9 Pro 5G comes in three color combinations of Sunrise Blue, Aurora Green and Midnight Black. It's available in two variants, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. 6GB plus 128GB variant will be available at an introductory price offer of Rs 17,999 only, and 8GB 128GB variant will be available at Rs 20,999 only. And the first sale begins on 23rd of February 12 noon onwards across all platforms, realme.com, flipkart.com and the stores nearby you.